These Gabriel Fleetline shock absorbers are purpose-built for heavy-duty trucks, buses, and motorhomes, so they handle constant commercial use without feeling fragile or under spec. Ride control is noticeably more stable and predictable, especially on school buses and medium-duty trucks where body roll and nosedive can be a problem. The large bore design and robust steel eye-rings give these shocks the kind of strength that stands up well to rough roads, job sites, and frequent loading and unloading. Corrosion-resistant finishes and a polished piston rod help the shock keep its performance in wet, salty, or winter conditions instead of seizing up or leaking early. Damping feels well-tuned for modern low-friction suspensions, taking the edge off sharp impacts while still keeping the chassis from floating or wallowing. Because they are engineered as direct replacements for many Bluebird, Freightliner, Peterbilt, and similar applications, installation is straightforward for fleet mechanics and reduces downtime.